I know this is not the exciting stuff. I know this is not reading commercials and movie trailers and things like that, but this is all foundational stuff that you need to know in order to get to that point. Doing the actual job of like voicing something is like 2% of the actual work. That's why it's such a thrill to do. Let's talk about foundations and goals and heroes. So I'm going to ask you to take some time and think. What do you want your life to look like in the future? Say you're getting into the VO business. What is your goal? Do you want to be the voice of a cartoon character? Do you want to be the voice of a network? Do you want to be the voice of your favorite brand? When you wake up in the morning and you open your eyes and you get an email or a phone call, what is the content of the project that you want to work on? I'm asking you this because in your mind, in order for you to manifest this, you need to hold specific goals. And you need to write them down or have a dream board or a wish board or something to keep these things triggered in your mind, to generate these thoughts, to manifest it. Be as specific as possible. I want to be the voice of Lexus. Be very specific. I want to be the voice on Cartoon Network of a small cricket, like whatever it may be. Be very, very specific in your ask. Don't keep it general, because you need to have a target goal that'll help you and streamline your path to get there. My goal was I wanted to be the voice of a network and I want to be the voice of movie trailers. And eventually I got to those things because I held a very specific goal in mind the entire time. And everything that came through, I was making decisions. Is this decision helping me towards my goal? Yes or no? No? Okay, I'm not doing it. Processes, and this will help your decision making and your thought process. Also, I want you to hold 5 voiceover heroes in mind. I want you to research their careers. I want you to get to know about their careers, their trials and tribulations, and someone you really admire. It could be preferably in the genre you want to work in. When did they get their first job? What are their favorite characters? What are their vocal warm-ups? Things that you could start emulating, because if it worked for them and you admire them, there's obviously something in there that you could take for your own. And so if you take your 5 top people that you really like, and you can take a little bit of each one and then add yourself to it, you can kind of take all of their qualities that are successful and bring your own style, your own vibe, your own flair to it. So I held, and I still probably have at least 10 voiceover heroes, if not more. But I know about the business, and I know about my heroes, and I know their careers, and I know what jobs of theirs I really like, and I admire those people. I admire some of them for the way they conduct themselves outside of voiceover.